The desert evening settled over the lonely plains like a slow breath released after a long day of survival, and Caleb Boone stood outside his weathered ranch house, watching the sun bleed into the horizon, turning the sky copper and gold, the same colors that had followed him through years of silence, loss, and memories he rarely allowed himself to touch. The ranch was quiet, too quiet for a man who once rode among laughter, family, and dreams, but loneliness had become his closest companion since the war and the passing of his wife, leaving only creaking wood, restless winds, and the distant cry of coyotes to remind him that life still moved beyond his sorrow. He had long accepted that love belonged to younger men, to hopeful hearts, not to a cowboy whose hands carried more scars than promises. Yet fate had its own stubborn plans, waiting on the dusty road that curved toward his land that evening. A wagon approached slowly, its wheels dragging through sand as if exhausted from a journey too heavy for fragile hope. And Caleb narrowed his eyes, instinct sharpening inside him as he stepped forward, hand resting near his belt, not out of threat, but habit learned from years of survival. When the wagon stopped, a young woman stepped down carefully, her white dress dusty from travel, her eyes uncertain yet filled with desperate courage. She looked far too young to carry such fear. And yet life in the West did not ask permission before handing out hardship. She hesitated before speaking, her voice trembling not from weakness but from exhaustion. She explained that she had been married only hours earlier in a nearby town, promised safety and a new life, only to discover that her husband had abandoned her after gambling away everything he owned, leaving her alone in a strange land with nowhere to go. Caleb listened without interruption, the story settling heavily against his chest because he recognized that the look of someone betrayed by hope itself. The wind lifted strands of her dark hair as she whispered, almost ashamed, that tonight was supposed to be the beginning of her life, her first night as a bride, but instead she found herself standing before a stranger's ranch asking for shelter. Caleb hesitated, not because he doubted her story, but because opening his door meant reopening parts of himself he had buried long ago. Still, the code he lived by, the old cowboy honor that refused to let innocence suffer, left him only one answer. He nodded gently and invited her inside, offering warmth, food, and safety without question. The ranch house felt different the moment she entered, as though the walls themselves remembered laughter. She moved carefully, observing the modest room filled with worn furniture, faded photographs, and a life paused in time. Caleb prepared supper quietly, placing a plate before her while avoiding questions that might deepen her pain. As night fell, the fire crackled softly, and the young bride sat across from him, her hands wrapped around a cup of coffee, as if holding on to courage itself. She confessed that she felt frightened, not only of being alone, but of the future she no longer understood. She admitted that she had been raised believing marriage meant protection, partnership, and love, yet reality had stolen that dream before it even began. Caleb spoke gently, his voice calm like distant thunder softened by rain, telling her that sometimes life breaks expectations so that stronger truths can grow. Hours passed as conversation replaced silence, and for the first time in years, Caleb felt something shift inside him, not desire, but purpose. When she winced from the strain of travel, he offered to help ease the pain in her shoulders, asking permission first, his movements careful and respectful, guided by kindness rather than impulse. She admitted quietly that everything felt overwhelming, that tonight was supposed to be her first step into adulthood, and instead she felt lost and afraid. Caleb reassured her that nothing needed to happen except rest and healing, that she was safe under his roof, and that dignity mattered more than circumstance. His words carried weight because they came from a man who had seen how fragile trust could be. Outside, the moon climbed high, silver light spilling through the window as the ranch transformed into a sanctuary rather than a lonely outpost. The young bride slowly relaxed, realizing she was not being judged or claimed, only protected. She spoke of her childhood dreams, of learning to ride horses, of believing love would feel gentle rather than frightening. Caleb listened carefully, offering small smiles, realizing that her presence reminded him that life still held tenderness even after years of grief. The night deepened, and he prepared a separate room for her, placing fresh blankets and ensuring she felt secure, promising that tomorrow they would figure out her future together. As she thanked him, emotion filled her voice, and she confessed that she had expected cruelty from the world but instead found compassion in a lonely cowboy who owed her nothing. Caleb watched her close the door, then stepped outside beneath the stars, realizing that loneliness had finally loosened its grip on him. The desert felt quieter but no longer empty. Dawn arrived slowly, painting the plains with soft light, and when she emerged the next morning, her expression held strength rather than fear. Together they shared breakfast, speaking not as strangers, but as two souls unexpectedly brought together by circumstance. Caleb offered to help her rebuild her life, whether that meant finding work in town or staying temporarily at the ranch until she found her footing. She smiled for the first time, genuine and warm, and the ranch seemed alive again. Over the following days, she helped with chores, laughter returning to rooms that had forgotten joy. And Caleb discovered that companionship did not demand possession. It grew from respect, patience, and shared healing. The story of a lonely cowboy and a frightened bride slowly transformed into something deeper. Two wounded people learning that trust begins not with passion, but with kindness. As evening fell once more, they sat on the porch watching the sunset, understanding without words that fate sometimes brings strangers together not to fulfill expectations, but to restore faith in humanity itself. And as the camera of imagination fades from the ranch bathed in golden light, the narrator's voice gently reminds viewers that every heart deserves a second chance. Every soul deserves safety. And sometimes the greatest love stories begin not with desire, but with compassion and courage. If this story touched your heart and you believe in stories of hope, redemption, and unexpected love on the frontier, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because many more powerful Western stories are waiting just beyond the next horizon, where courage meets destiny and every lonely road leads to a story worth telling.